to take the next big step. Classes can fill up quickly, so enroll today at icangotocollege.com.
Serious accidents can happen anytime. If you're ever hurt in an accident out there on the road, Sweet James Accident Attorneys can help you get the medical care you need and the compensation you deserve. Don't pay a dime until they win your case. Call them at 800-500-5200 or visit sweetjames.com.
Gorgeous gaming. Unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. AT&T Fiber customers winning at life with hyper-gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare.
Oh, I'm going there. I'm telling you.
Because since Terry upgraded data caps or equipment fees.
Oh man, the door's open for a reason.
And best yet, he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase in 12 months.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details. COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too. If you feel symptoms, even if they're mild, you should test fast. Test positive and at high risk for severe COVID-19, then act fast with authorized oral treatments that can be taken at home and must be taken within 5 days from when symptoms begin. COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too. If an oral treatment is right for you. Learn about a treatment option at treatcd19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer.
What would you do with extra money this summer? Fill the tank? How about a vacation? During Staples Fuel Your Summer Sweeps, a Staples Rewards member could win one of 5 $5,000 Visa gift cards to use for, or maybe, every $50 spent in store automatically earns you an entry. Not a rewards member? Join today and enter Staples Fuel Your Summer Sweeps. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. Open to legal residents of 50 U.S. and D.C. 18 older. N.C. 6. Visit staplesconnect.com/fuel your summer sweeps for complete rules and eligibility.
Bye summer and hello back to school season. Luckily at Famous Footwear, you can find unbeatable savings on the hottest brands. Have a son who's determined to bring his A-game this year? Place him up in fresh Puma courts. Is your daughter's style as big as her personality? Have her show up on day one in iconic checkerboard Vans. All the famous brands to fit whatever your kids are famous for. For a limited time, save up to $20 purchase both online and at a local Famous store. Some exclusions apply.
I love my hardwood floors, but I wasn't sure how to take care of them. Carrying around a bucket, and even worse, my string mop left streaks and haze behind. Then I found Swiffer Wet Jet Wood, the all-in-one tool made specially for wood floors. Its microfiber-like pad is soft, and it sprays a light mist solution that dries fast. With Swiffer Wet Jet Wood, it's easy to keep up with the mess on my wood floors.
Even that mess. Swiffer Wet Jet Wood, proud member of the National Wood Floor Association.
You could save big when you bundle your home and auto with Progressive, but when we just come out and say it, it feels like it falls a bit flat. So instead, we're going to hire a professional voice actor and pay him absurd amounts of money to say, I like this product. Not sure why that was better. I mean, I'm a professional too, but we didn't pay him to say the business part, so back to me. Same thing when you bundle your home and auto with Progressive. Sorry, I know hearing me say it was a bit of a letdown. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates, discount not available in all states or situations. Finding great candidates to hire. Well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay,
Out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
An irresistibly delicious journey has taken flight, and it's bringing the flavors of Mexico to you. At Chavez Supermarket, we have the to bring out the authentic flavors of our roots, like a wide selection of fresh Harris Ranch beef to make your favorite kind of sausage, the enticing aroma. Choice of flavor and quality. Visit us at ChavezSuper.com. Our menu at Eric's has been pretty much steady. We don't offer new things, but darn good. When I get to the menu,
special combo of Italian character. Now at Eric's Deli Cafe.
This 99.7 Music Hour is sponsored by the Floor Store. Save up to 60% during the Floor Store's summer rollback sale, where you can find a huge selection of every kind of flooring. Visit floorstores.com for your nearest location. The Floor Store, your Bay Area flooring authority.
It's a Big Bay morning. It's really funny, and it gets me going.
get your soul. Tell me, lay low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I wake up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Tell them that the break is over. Yeah. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late, cause I'm here to stay, and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he chose toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's your sense of humor? I'm done making jokes. Baby boomers, turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is soon, but this like Oklahoma. Mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Fall down from nothing, dog. Get your soul. The break is over.
Yeah. Big Bay Mornings.
I do the same. Told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay. I can't try, wake up, I'm wasted still. I realize the time that I wasted. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. If you can be right here. If you can't be right here, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. And you're the reason I believe in love. You can't be right here. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay. I do the same. Never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay.
Now.
Well, you know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure.
Oh, of course.
Which is why Greg likes to dig in his neighbor's trash cans.
First of all, it's not my neighbor's trash can, it's my own trash can.
That you share with your neighbor.
I share a recycling bin with my upstairs neighbor. And I went to put something in the recycling bin last week, and she threw away a bunch of holiday cards, unused, with the envelope. And I'm like, why did you throw in my head as I dug them out? I
dug them out. I took them. There were like 8 holiday cards, completely like, you know, unused holiday cards. Perfectly good.
It's wasteful.
It is very super wasteful. So those are going to be my holiday cards this year. From the, you won't know.
Yeah, they go from the garbage. Exactly. There's like some old chicken on one of them.
Grease stains. It was in the recycling bin, not the trash, so it doesn't have any chicken on it.
They're blank inside. What's the vibe of the holiday card? What do they say?
Well, I don't know if I want to tell you because then you'll know they're the ones that...
Exactly why I'm asking.
I don't know if I want to tell you because I have a lot of different holiday cards, but if I tell you which ones these are, when you get them, you'll know.
They're the trash cards anyway.
Okay, fine. I'll send these to people out of town.
Thank
I won't
you.
give them to y'all. They have a little hippopotamus on the front. There's Happy Hippo Holidays or something like that.
I should throw them out.
They're adorable. They're
Giving them to
adorable.
6-year-olds? What is the weirdest thing that you brought home off the streets? I know we've all done it at least once. See, you gotta walk around the rich neighborhoods because they always have that free box out front and they got the good stuff. I remember at some point during the thick of the pandemic when the most exciting thing to we would go to different neighborhoods every day and I found 2 like basically brand new mugs and those are kind of expensive.
Oh, dude, what do you mean you?
I sterilized them,
I
bro.
don't care. You're not drinking.
You go to a restaurant and you use utensils and dishes.
It's on the street. Who cares?
He's the biggest germaphobe there is.
There's a thing called the dishwasher.
Yes.
It's fine.
I was in charge of cleaning them, so I know they are clean. Like Nikki said, when you're going out to eat, you think that fork is really clean?
This is a coupon queen over here. I'm not trying to... If you could get free stuff, you could get free stuff. I mean, and when I moved a long time ago, I left a bunch of stuff on the side of my street corner, and it all got taken, including a wine refrigerator.
Dude, I just moved over the weekend. There's 2 boxes on my avenue. You should roll through, pick it up, dig through.
What's that on?
You know, there's some blenders, a couple copper mugs, you know, all sorts of stuff.
Free stuff. I gotta take it. And I took it. I took those holiday cards. I wish there was money in there. But send them out. People are gonna think they're adorable. They're not free.
Not these people, because we don't.
Well, fine. If you get one that has a hippopotamus on it, it was in my recycling bin. But it was only in there for, I mean, a couple of minutes, because you know me, I am nosy. As soon as I see somebody, as soon as my ring goes off, I'm like, what is she doing in the front? Then as soon as she leaves, I go out.
Off. Sometimes I just watch the live feed just to kind of spy on the neighbors in the neighborhood. What's happening?
I always watch. And there, and I go and I remove whatever she put and put it in the right bin.
You mean bring it in your house?
No. Times, especially my old neighbor. She's not as bad. My old neighbor put so many wrong things in the bins. There's 3 bins. It is not that difficult. He would put food in the recycling bin sometimes, and I would get so mad. I would want to take it and leave it on his back porch.
Well, that's what happens when you lose the lotto. You end up having to dig through the recycle bins.
Exactly. But I'm cold every season. Boy, got that pipe that I'm busting till it's sleep. Yeah, booty like a pillow, he can use it while he's sleeping. Look, don't be going through my phone, cause that's the old me. Ain't the only one trying to be my one and only. Real big